Yes, dear students, so this is the last topic of our chapter, the Vaji Kingdom. The Vaji Kingdom was a republic. It was not a monarchy like Magad. Magad was a Mahajanpada and there was a king, but here Vaji Kingdom was a republic. It was not having any king, but a group of people were involved in for the rule in the state. So let's start the topic. The Republic of Vaji or Vraji state had no monarch but an assembly. Assembly means Gana or Sangha, that is the group of people, but an assembly which ruled the state. The Vijayans included 8 confederated clans, of which the Lachavis, the Vidyas, the Jantrikas and Vijayas and the Vajis were the most important. So they were having so many parts, but these 4 parts, the Lachavis, the Vidyas, the Jantrikas and the Vajis were the most important parts. The Lachavis ruled over the area that was located to the north of the river Ganga in Bihar. So Lachavis ruled the area to the north of the river Ganga in Bihar. Vaishali, that is modern Basara in Vaishali district of North Bihar, was the capital of Lachavis. Vaishali was the capital of Lachavis and the political headquarters of powerful Vajian confederacy. The Lachavis were followers of Buddha. Here also you can see one picture is shown where Buddha is sitting, and about this person we will read in this topic only on the next page. So the Lachavis were followers of Buddha. They were closely related to the Magadhans and they were closely related to Magadhans also. The Gana or assembly of the Lachavis had many members, all of whom were called Rajas. So all the members were known as Rajas. All the members, like full group of the people, they were known as Rajas. This Gana means assembly. This Gana means a group or assembly. This Gana met several times in a year. So these people met several times in a year when they have to take important decisions. This Gana met several times in a year when important decisions were taken after long and thorough discussions by majority opinion. For administrative purposes, there was a smaller body called the Council of Ministers. So there was a Council of Ministers also for other small topics or small discussions. Council of Ministers were there. It had members called Raja, Upraja, Senapati and Bhandarika. So these were the people who were included in the Council of Ministers. For small matters they have to solve the matters. However, women, dasas or slaves and landless agricultural laborers, karmakaras, were excluded from the Lachavi assembly. Excluded means not involved. So the women, dasas or slaves or the landless agricultural laborers, they were not included in the Lachavi assembly. The Lachavis were very brave and warlike. Lachavis were brave and warlike. Ajashatru, the king of Magad, that we have read about Ajashatru also, dared to fight against them, but he failed to defeat them in open warfare, and so he sent his minister Vasakara. So what he did, he sent his one minister Vasakara to secretly weaken the Lachavis by sowing seeds of dissension among them. Dissension means disagreement. Strong disagreement. Dissension means strong disagreement. तो उन लोगों वैसे तो अजातशत्रु उनके ऊपर फाइट किया उसने बहुत बार, लेकिन he was failed to defeat them in warfare. But what he did, he sent his one minister Vasakara to secretly weaken the Lachavi by sowing seeds of dissension among them. तो उन लोगों को आपस में लड़वाने के लिए, जब तक वो लोग एक साथ होंगे तो वो स्ट्रांग रहेंगे। तो उसने क्या किया, अपने एक मिनिस्टर वसाकरा को भेजा जिससे कि वो उन लोगों में फूट डलवा सके, उन लोगों में लड़ाई करवा सके। उसने क्या किया, उसने अपने एक मिनिस्टर वसाकरा को भेजकर उन लोगों में फूट डलवाई। बट हिज प्लान वॉज नॉट कम्प्लीटली सक्सेसफुल। अजातशत्रु हैड टू फाइट फॉर 16 years to the Lachavis till the Lachavis could be subdued। और उसने अपने इतनी सारी फाइट करने के बाद भी अजातशत्रु उनके ऊपर कुछ नहीं कर पाया और उसका ये भी प्लान अनसक्सेसफुल रहा। और इसका एक फ़ोटो आप पीछे देख सकते हो, ही इज़ वसाकरा। So you can see this painting, Buddha is sitting. So this was the full chapter about the early empires.